everybody and welcome to Izigo on the Move with me, Nkosazana Tambuza. On today's episode, we're going to be focusing on the DUT DigiFest that is happening right now at the DUT City Campus. And after speaking to a few of the organizers, you are going to wish that you were here. But first, let's see how they prepared for this awesome event.
Tell me not to waste my time, to get a real job and get back in.
So tell us a little bit more about the DUT DigiFest. What's it all about?
Well, the DUT DigiFest is really about, trying to showcase like some of the student work. We're trying to integrate more digital content into the syllabus and integrate digital content into the exhibitions. So it's really like a digital and technology-based festival. So we draw on all the different disciplines within the Faculty of Arts and Designs, journalism, fashion, fine art, graphic design and that. And yeah, so they all exhibit some of their work and they create content specifically for the festival. And then we bring in outside people and performances to make it exciting.
Hi, my name is Wesley Van Eden. I'm an artist, illustrator and graphic designer from Durban, and I've been a practicing artist for the last 10 years, doing work for different types of companies from around the world. The importance of art, there's lots and lots of different languages around the world, and if you need to speak to a certain person in a certain country or culture, you got to know their language. I think art is really important in terms of being able to communicate across all cultures. It's almost like a democratic language. Someone can look at it and they can interpret it in their own way, and it has the power to affect people in a positive and also in a negative way, depending on the type of work that you do. If you want to be an artist, just take your time, be patient, work hard. And I think it's, you can't get anything in this world without hard work. And there's a saying that I live by, it's called, the harder you work, the luckier you get.
So now we're going to be speaking to the Dean of the DUT City Campus, Renee Smith. How are you, Renee?
Hi, I'm good. And how are you? Are you enjoying the vibe?
I'm loving the vibe. It's awesome,
Good.
So Renee, can you just tell us on the importance of art in general in South Africa?
Art contributes significantly to the GDP of this country, and yet often we see artists struggling and we feel that people don't take our work and what we do seriously. So the first thing we're trying to do here is say that art matters.
Yes.
And please come and support artists. The second thing, and this is really important, it contributes to our constitutional democracy. And I think that we need more students to be taking up the arts, to be champions for it, and we're just so glad to be here. This historic building, having a festival that's a digital festival.
I've got here Shamil Baram, who's a first year fine arts student here at City Campus, right here. So his work is displayed here today, so shout out to you. Thank you for joining us on the show today.
Thank you very much. Well, my work deals with building a bridge of diversity. I've recently been selected as one of the Sasol New Signatures top 100 artists in South Africa.
Oh wow.
Yes, and yes, I'm all about building a bridge of diversity. As we can see on my left hand side, this is one of my artworks, which is titled Building a Bridge of Diversity. I've selected to study at DUT because DUT is very practical and I see myself making it out there as an artist.
What do you think is the importance of arts and students pursuing an arts career if they feel they want to do so?
Well, I mean, I don't know about the words art and career in the same sentence, but I think art's like, it's really important for culture, really, on the whole. So music, art, all that stuff is culture, right? And it's people expressing their identity through their artwork or their music or any kind of expression.
What important thing have you learned here from the DUT DigiFest?
There's actually one thing, there's this other lady, she said she's from, I can't remember exactly the spot, like she took pictures of the flat that she lives in. She comes from a very poor background, so even her flat where she lives, it's a really poor background, but then she said that she actually comes here so that she doesn't get involved in all that. Like, there's a chemical factory around there, so now the children that grow up around there, they are affected by that. So now, like, actually one of the most destructive things in that, like, you have teenage pregnancies, you have drug lords, you have like drunkards, people who are alcoholics and all that. She actually took a picture of those people. They did actually know Ogoti, she is taking pictures.
Yeah.
They didn't mind. So she's trying to, like, she says she's trying to tell a story that if you have a dream, don't let your background affect your dream.
Wow.
Just reach for your dream.
What do you feel is the importance of studying art as a subject? Or not studying art, but what is the importance of music and drama and all those other things? Do you feel they're important in society?
They are important. Without art, there will be no fun.
Yeah, that is
And
so true.
we learn our history by these artworks that are done.
That's an important part. I've never actually quite thought of that. Even the music that's playing, it was an artist who made that all happen, hey. Apparently you're having a launch today, so tell us a little bit more about that.
Well, today we're going to announce to Durban and to the audience and the public here that in 2018 we're going to host the International Symposium of Electronic Art. It's the biggest nomadic electronic arts conference around in the world.
Wow.
And what it's done over the last year as well, for 24 years, it's traveled from one city to the next every year. And this is the first time it's traveling to the African continent.
That's awesome.
So it's going to be Durban in 2018, first time Africa, and we need to actually show them what we're made of.
Can you imagine a world without art, dance, fashion, music, social media? It would be very depressing. I know, right? That's why events like the DUT DigiFest are of the utmost importance in society. But from me and Journalism Izigo, it's a wrap, baby! We'll see you next week, same time, same place, and the soil is coming in at 8:30, so I need to go get myself